Your internal audit team spends 3 weeks preparing for each annual ISO 9001 surveillance audit, gathering documents, building checklists, and compiling evidence. You map the workflow and identify the document gathering step as the biggest bottleneck. You pilot an AI tool that scans your document repository and automatically identifies every record relevant to the audit scope: policies, procedures, records, and training logs, organized by clause number. A task that took 2 weeks now takes 2 days. But you don't stop there. You measure audit findings rates before and after the AI enhancement to confirm that audit quality is maintained. You document the enhanced workflow as a standard procedure, and you review it every 6 months to make sure the tool hasn't introduced any quirky workarounds. That's how you amplify a workflow with AI. Design it, measure it, standardize it, and sustain it.